Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can make reels on Facebook. So reels are basically, as you guys can see at the top, you can see the story section and the reels section. So in the reels section, all these videos are basically reels, alright? So it's a 1 minute video. If it's above 1 minute, it's not going to be counted as reels, alright? So let me show you how to make it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after you open Facebook, at the bottom of the Facebook you can see the little plus icon. You want to click on it. Once you click on the plus icon, you can see the Reels option. You want to click on Reel. Once you do that, click on Continue. So it's asking me to allow access to my photos, so I'm going to do that. Now, you can choose a 1 minute video from your phone and it's going to be converted into Reel. But if you want to record a reel right now, what you want to do is click on camera at the top. If you don't want to select it from your gallery, alright, click on camera. And once you're inside your camera, you can basically just record any video you want. Let's say I'm just going to record a random video just so I can show you that how you guys can upload a reel. Once you make a random video or any video you want, you can add audio, noise reducer, all these effects, alright. Now you can choose all these effects and add if you want to. If you don't, you can just click on next. And yeah, at the top you can even write whatever you want, alright. So I'm just going to name it random thing and click on post, and just like this my reel has been posted. So that's how you guys can make reels on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more videos just like this. Now my reel is taking a bit of time, but as you guys can see, it's loading up over here. And once it fully uploads, as you guys can see, it has just uploaded. I can just click on it and this is basically what it's going to look like. You can even like this or you can boost the reel or something, alright? So yeah, thanks for watching and bye bye.